Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Finally, I went ahead and purchased a graphics card for my new PC. Went ahead, got an updated RAM kit and another SSD to go ahead and add with this one in there. Alright, so I went ahead and built this cheap $300 PC. I was hoping to start gaming on PC and realized that it won't cut it. So I had to go ahead and add at least a graphics card, had to update the memory and also the RAM. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install these three new components that I got, install into my new PC, and see how things run from there. First thing, what I'm going to do is go ahead and install the RAM before I do the graphics card, just for space reasons. And go ahead and install my new SSD. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one right here. I'm just going to add the other one on top of it. Alright, and see how that works out. Hopefully it won't be too hard. After I go ahead and install everything, I'm going to do a benchmarks test just to show how everything works. Hopefully I won't run into any trouble installing any of these components here. Alright, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take out the RAM here that I have. That's one and two. Alright, Corsair Ventus LPX. Come on. Okay. Alright, all you gotta do is just line them up. I mean, it might be pretty tough doing it. Until you hear a click. Okay, that's one. Alright, and that's two. That was easy. And I like the way how this RAM blends in with the rest of the PC. Alright, now this might be a little tricky, I'm not sure. Alright, make sure you keep all your stuff from your, all the stuff that comes with the case. You might need it all in the future, like for example right now. Let's go ahead and open this up. Don't know what the hell this is. Alright, whatever. Make sure you use the right screws. And repeat for the rest of them. Alright, so after you have all four in there, it should look just like this. Okay, and last but not least, the graphics card is finally going in. Oh, okay. Well, that's pretty hefty actually. It's my first time seeing a graphics card in person. Alright. Alright. This thing's pretty hefty. Wow. Comes with 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. As you can see, I'm still trying to take these out right here to make an opening for the graphics card. As you can tell, I'm an amateur. Still trying to figure out how to take these out. Just give me a moment. Alright, finally managed to take them out while damaging my PC case. It's all good though. Took a minute. What I did was I had to pull them out, not push them in because my motherboard is already in. And just be careful so you don't cut your hands with the metal. Alright, graphics card is going in. Hopefully no issues. Alright, fits right in. Here, click. Alright, so far so good. Alright, so it didn't come with any screws. I'm just going to use the ones that came with the case. The graphics card in. Okay, so I've been staring at this thing for about an hour. Still can't seem to figure out which cables plug into here. Just a few more moments, please. Oh, and I also found this cable here in my PC case box. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need it for my SSD. All right, so cool. All right, so it seems like I finally figured it out. Actually, I need to use two cables. Use two right here together. Bam, just like that. All right, everyone, so as you can see, I went ahead and installed the new graphics card, got the new SSD, and new Corsair RAM. Alright guys, so everything's installed. I went ahead, tried to turn on my PC, and what it does, keeps turning on and off. So yeah, this installation was a complete fail. What I'm guessing is that I'm gonna need a more powerful PSU. This one's only 400 watts. Probably gonna need at least 450. So this, yeah, it's gonna be delayed a little longer. Sorry about that. Until I get a new PSU, hopefully within the next few days. Right, PC is on, but nothing is on the screen, you know? Keeps turning on and off. Right. So I'll go ahead, buy my new power supply, and update you guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time.